or gray wolf, scientific name, Canis lupus, is a species of carnivorous mammal belonging to the dog family. A native predatory wolf of the Northern Hemisphere. It covers a wide range of Eurasia and North America and has the largest geographical distribution among all other canids. This animal is the wild ancestor of the dog. That is, dogs are descendants of wolves that were domesticated between 18,000 and 32,000 years ago. So far, 38 contemporary subspecies of wolves have been identified, including domestic dogs, dingoes, red wolves, and Iranian wolves. The northwest North American wolf is the largest wolf subspecies in the world. Gray in color with spots of other colors, but white, red, brown, and black colors are also seen. The size and weight of wolves are very different in different places. Generally, wolves are larger in higher latitudes, northern regions. The Sarddasht wolf is one of the largest types of wolves, compared to their close relatives such as the yellow jackal and the coyote. Wolves are more specialized for hunting large animals. They are more interested in social life and benefit from a rich and complex behavioral language. The core of the social group of wolves consists of a family consisting of a husband and wife and their children, who usually live in a herd of several families. The wolf is generally considered a top predator of the food pyramid, and only humans and in some places tigers have the ability to hunt it. The main food of wolves is provided by hunting large ungulates such as wild sheep, wild goats, deer and deer, but sometimes they go to smaller animals, domestic animals, carcasses and human waste. Although many people are afraid of wolves, most cases of wolf attacks on humans are related to wolves suffering from rabies, and attacks by healthy wolves on humans, especially adult humans, are unusual. About 30,000 years ago, wolves approached the edge of human settlements in search of human food remains. The process of domesticating and raising them after that gradually led to changing the behavior and genes of wolves, which finally turned into today's dogs, too. Food. They also eat carcasses and go to places where animals are killed. Cannibalism has also been seen among wolves. In harsh winters, wounded and sick members are killed and eaten. Of course, cannibalism in wolves occurs only when there is a severe lack of food and famine. In the social life of wolves, the social bond is unbreakable. They hunt together, travel long distances together, defend each other to the death, and die together if the situation calls for it. They feel responsible for the people in their group. Among wolves, respect for the main species remains. 3. Land and climate change does not have a negative effect on their way of life. The habitat of these wolves is usually far from many other carnivorous animals, and they also live in herds. You can easily see gray wolves in different countries. These countries include Iran, southern European countries such as Spain, Portugal, Italy, Yugoslavia, and Romania. Countries like Greece, Turkey, Sweden, India, China, Mongolia and Japan. Wolves in African and European regions have almost become extinct due to hunting and the advancement of humans, and in 2010, only 200 of these wolves remained in Sweden. So, in a way, it can be said that the animals are on the verge of extinction and hunting them is prohibited. Once during her life, which is almost 16 years if she is not hunted by other animals or suffers from a certain disease. In this reproduction, between 1 and 3 wolf cubs are born and stay with the mother and the pack until they can fend for themselves against dangers. And the decrease of their natural prey, their number has decreased in the world. Wolves have lost many of their former habitats, and their species have become extinct in North Africa and most of Western Europe. For example, in 2010, only 200 wolves were counted in Sweden. And the largest number of this category was in the Scandinavian region of Europe, 4.